This is the basketball game. See that guy who has the ball? Right there. I can't camcord this.
Grandpa, he called you out. I want my revenge.
The guy who's gonna shoot it.
Oh, come on, man. Don't get scared. It's basketball, boys. Oh! That's it. You got one out of like 5 motherfuckers. Get up! Mike, you got the ball off the fucking...
Yeah, boy.
Go for your shot.
Here goes Byron.
Nobody scored in the video. You're Grant. Oh, you came through here all the time. Okay, one. Come on, dude. I want it. Oh, shit. Where you at, boy? Oh, shit, Mike. No, motherfucker, grandpa got you. And laid it up.
Then here comes Byron up to the shot. Zoom in on that.
Uh-oh.
You made it.
I'll get him out, y'all.
Guys, I'm gonna cook this.
Ooh! Get out of here! Get out of here! What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, boy?
You got it again?
I'm gonna go up and down. Stop fucking crying. Get the fuck out of here, boy. Nah, don't touch me. Oh, where you at? Stop. Oh, you're a bum. I got 15. Hey, that's right here, boy. Leave right now. Get the fuck out of here. Don't fall, boy.
Zooming on that shot. Then zooming on him. Doing the bed.
Stop playing that shit. Bring your ass to the hole. Bobby! That wasn't me. Who was it? Who was it? I get a foul. This nigga's a fucking hack. I'm gonna beat that shit. This nigga is a hack. That's all the way out there. Oh, young bird, look at it. Look, you shoot every shot like you shoot a free throw. Watch out, watch out. No.
Don't play with me.
Oh, is that? Get up, Bobby. All y'all boys. You jumping by yourself, tell somebody to get up, Bobby? Stop. Get out of the grill. Come on, shoot your shot. Watch you make this one. It's your phone. Great. I know you ain't see it. Good job, Ryan. Damn, I'm about to tell everybody get the fuck up right now. You can't. Uh-oh. Mike? You can't dribble though. Pick up. Oh! He took you? No. I left him long ago. Long ago. Nah, he took your ass. Long time ago? Your ass got thrown. Yo, bitch, that look like get up. Yo, Martin, don't even like back. Oh, wait, look at that. Look at it. That's your brother. Oh. Look at that shit, boy. What you doing? Thank you. Oh, don't bother. Don't come here with that weak shit, bro. That's it. You gotta call that shit. Hey, glass all day, nigga. He stepped on my toe. What job is that? Everybody stepped on my toe.
We just didn't have the camera wrapping up that way. What? You have the camera?
Alright, you want another one? Come for it. You want another one?
There goes Barack Obama.
Get up! I'm giving it to you, Mike. Mike! Mike! Give it to you again, Mike. Bad. You go in with what? Stop following me, man. Stop following me, man.
Devontae, get out of here.
Oh, he's swinging, y'all. Mac, this nigga's a fucking hack. I swear to God. I can't even back up. This nigga smacked me in my ribs. Your fault. Oh, you can tell. He's stuck in my toe. What was that, nigga? You ain't doing that. You ain't been doing shit. Oh, you about to cross me. Yeah, you don't even want to go out and look at it. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Oh, no. We about to get that boy still. Why you Where Bobby go? All right. What? Who what? Hey, man. Get up! Oh, why you so big? Oh! What's up, nigga? Yeah, I'm off the street, bro. Alright. They say who we going to wait.
Wow.
We're gonna make it hit. It was all crooked and everything.
I don't. Get up! Jordan, let's roll. Shot.